Did you know that the chip inside your smartphone has more transistors than there are people on Earth? And yet, only a few countries can make them. So why is making chips so insanely hard? And how did tiny Taiwan become the world's chip superpower? While India is still struggling, let's break it down. Chips, or semiconductors, power everything. Phones, laptops, cars, fighter jets, even satellites. But building them, it's like trying to etch a billion circuits onto a grain of rice. Using light. We're talking about machines worth $150 million each, clean rooms cleaner than surgery labs, and materials that must be 99.9999999% pure. In short, this isn't just engineering, it's alchemy. Back in the 1980s, Taiwan had a vision. They created the world's first chip-making company for hire. While others designed chips, TSMC mastered how to manufacture them at atomic precision. And they reinvested billions into staying ahead of the world. Today, TSMC makes chips for Apple, Nvidia, and even Intel. Taiwan became the heart of global technology, all from a tiny island. India has the brains. Our engineers design chips for the world. But we lacked fabs, infrastructure, and early investment. Now that's changing. With the Semicon India mission, companies like Micron, Tata, and Tower are setting up fabs in Gujarat and Karnataka. India is starting with mature tech like 28 nanometers, perfect for defense, telecom, and auto. It's not easy, but the semiconductor sunrise has begun. So next time you hear about a chip shortage or Taiwan in the news, remember, this tiny piece of silicon is the engine of the future, and India is gearing up for the long ride. If you want to see India lead in science and tech, subscribe to @CIX24 for more breakthroughs explained like never before.